guys, it's me, Annie. Today I have a guest with me,
Emilia.
and today we are going to Loot Crate. I ruined mine though. Did you ruin yours? There. But they should see what's inside first.
Nine!
What's inside?
I want to see. Oh my god.
Do you see it?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Ooh! What's this?
What the hell?
Whoa.
A bug?
It's a bug. You get a pink one! I get a blue one. I want the pink one.
I got the pink one.
I got a blue.
Mine's the coolest one.
No.
Yes, it is. We're not trading.
But I want it.
Oh shit.
Is a machine?
Yeah. I think it's a toy.
Cat toy?
I thought it was a kid toy.
A kid toy?
Yeah. It's on a commercial on Cartoon Network. Haven't you seen it? The bug tech thing.
I have seen the butterflies, but
I
this
just
one.
seen the vad heter det? Larver. Larver.
See it in Norwegian. Larver.
Is it an anbak?
Oh, here!
Something.
No.
Where?
Here. On the back of it.
Oh,
On the
there!
butt.
On the butt.
Yours is working.
Whoa, shit! Oh my god!
Mine doesn't work.
Mine!
But my dog is like, oh, can I eat it?
You.
Which way is it on?
Just switch it to the side.
I mean, mine is on. Doesn't work. It's
Pink is
broken.
best.
Just because it's blue.
Yeah. Pink rules.
I want the pink one. What's that?
I don't know. Poster maybe?
You just find it and
Yeah, I
Don't
think
wait.
it's a poster.
you don't wait for me.
No.
Never.
I hope it's Harry Potter.
It was play.
No! Pac-Man.
Pac-Man.
Sticker or is it a poster?
Thank you, supposed to. With Pac-Man on it.
Some Game Boy
Console.
thing.
Oh, chip. Oh, you mean like a game you put in a Game Boy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thing.
Yeah, I see it.
I didn't understand what this was in the beginning, but now I see it.
Can I take something now?
You can choose now.
Yes. I wonder
Yeah.
what this is. Super Fights the Loot Crate deck. Is it
Super Fighter
a card
deck?
game? It's a
Crate
card
deck.
game.
Oh! Oh my god. I love this. Maybe Harry.
Oh, you smell like cards.
Okay. Smells like.
New
Ugh.
cards. Smells like new cards.
No.
Godzilla? Or is it like you choose a character and then you take it to a place and choose what kind of superpower they have?
Is it?
I think it is.
Oh. Ash. Probably
Oh,
from Pokemon.
Pokemon. Do you want to choose next?
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. I want to choose this white baby.
Baby?
I think. Oh, you can draw on it.
Yes.
Oh, that's cute.
Look at this. The sides.
Oh my god. You can make those? At least I can try. Do-do-do. You can draw faces on it with these markers.
Oh, it comes with markers?
Yeah.
Wow!
Dritkult.
Yeah.
Dritkult.
What's this? This. In the black bag.
Hi. Yeah, hi.
It's dices.
2 dices.
Dice.
Game.
Is that 0?
Probably. Oh, it's
you
rock,
have
paper,
one.
scissors!
Is it?
Yeah!
Paper, scissors, rock.
Yeah. Cool. Then we have a book. Read Player One. Harry Potter.
It's Harry Potter.
It was Harry Potter. I knew it.
A book I can read now. Like I couldn't do it before.
No. Oh, it's in the future.
Is it?
Yeah. In the year 2044. Blah blah. Blah blah blah.
So it's a book about the future. Something like that.
Yeah. And something about Harry Potter.
That was my phone.
Meh.
That was your neck. The team is play.
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 Yeah.
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 And here are things to the box, I think, because
It's a game.
It's a game in the box. That's cool.
It's a board game.
And the pin. Yeah, she is like, can I eat it? You like it, that one?
Yeah.
Yes, a board game in the box. Should we show them what we got?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A one book. Something about Harry Potter. And the white baby
And the white baby
with the markers.
with markers.
And the cards.
The cards.
And the bug.
Big.
Mine
Mine doesn't work.
Mine does.
Mine doesn't work.
Oh yeah.
You smushed it in my face. Mine is working, not yours.
And the poster. Pac-Man in a Game Boy game thing. And the dice. In
The
here.
dice in here. Oh yeah, the dice. To the game in the box. And this thing that tells you what's in the box. And some awesome stuff. And you know that little baby we got?
Yeah, the white baby.
Is a design contest on it.
Oh, what can you win?
I don't know. Does this tell you what you can win?
No.
Oh. Doesn't tell you what you're gonna win if you win. But it's a contest on the little baby. And the pin. We have
And the pen.
in the pin.
Do.
The pen. The pen. The pen. Does it show up? Yeah. And that was everything. That was Loot Crate for February 2015.
15.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what's in the box.
Yeah.
And that was it for today. I hope you subscribe, like the video, share it with friends. And we'll see you next time. Bye!